guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well and keeping everyone safe around you, and of course keeping yourself safe too. We have a haul today from HSN and I'd like to open the box with you guys. So excited. I ordered this through HSN last month, but I haven't had the chance to open it up. And let's see what we have here. We have 2 items here. So let me just take this out. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I already know what they are. They are going to be diamond press items. So let's start with the refill packs, and this is for these are actually folders for my marquee, and I wanted to make sure I have some extra. These things are selling out like hotcakes. My goodness, I wasn't able to buy them the last time that they were there, and this time I was able to buy them. Let me see, there should be 10 packs in here or 10 folders in here. So my marquee came with 2 folders, so I wanted to make sure I have enough folders here to last me for a while, because as you guys know, I have quite a bit of diamond press dies. So oh my gosh, there are 10 in here, and this is like I said, this for the marquee, and I got 10 here, so I'm pretty set for a while. I'm gonna put this away. And then the next item we have here, this is one I am very excited about. This is a pillow box and stamp and die kit. So I'm very excited about this because, you know, we'll have some holidays coming up, and I'd like to be able to make some boxes for folks at work, my friends. And here are the items. And I really love the dice that came with it. And then of course, if you remember, I also had the Added Touch dice, or the dice that I bought from Added Touch, and I got some Anna Griffin dice there that I can put the die cuts around this pillow box. Let me get it out. Let's start with opening this up to see what's in it. So we have some labels here, the die, the stamp, it looks like, and then you put them together, and then we have some words here, some flowers, some leaves, ribbon, the butterfly, and some flower bouquet, and other embellishments here, like a star kind of thing here, and the heart. Then of course we have the pillow box here. It shows you how you can put it together. So if you have got 2 of this, and then you just attach each other like so. Then we also have a circle die, looks like, and then stamps to go with the circle die. This is what it looks like, and of course tag dies. So here are the stamps. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how cute they are. I'm not sure if you can see them. Look how cute, guys. So this is the one of the stamps, and then here's the other one. And then we have, as usual, it comes with a folder, and it also came, this is a short folder, and then this is the regular marquee folder. So most of the dies that you buy would come with folders. And then of course, these are the embossing folders that come with it. So you can also make cards with this, or if you're doing Project Life, you can also emboss your Project Life cards with this. Look at this, guys, how so cute. It's flowers. And there you go. Let me know, guys, if you want to learn some embossing techniques. A lot of the embossing techniques there for the folders are pretty old, but I'd like to, if you'd like to, I can show you some of those, and just let me know down in the comment section below. And so now we're going to, this is what I am very excited about, the actual dies, because you know me and my obsession with the diamond press dies lately. So here are the dies. Here's the circle that we had mentioned earlier, which is this one, and then the pillow box, which is this, and then of course we have the tag. Oh, where's the tag? There's a tag die right here. So there's the tags, and then we also have back here the label right here, right there. Then we have the flower die that corresponds with this flower here that we have here. And then of course we have our ribbon right there, the butterfly, the embellished one or the intricate cut, and the shadow of the butterfly. And then we have the leaves, and then thanks and hello. Then we have the bouquet over here, the star and the heart. I love this set, you guys. It's so cool. Can you imagine if you had to decorate this with some of this? But I've already have something in mind too. I'd also like to use the Anna Griffin dice that I bought, like I had mentioned earlier, from Added Touch Scrapbooks. Anyway, guys, it's a small haul, but I really like sharing what I got from HSN and other stuff that I bring in from Tuesday Morning. I haven't had a chance to visit Tuesday Morning yet. I can't wait to go there. I plan to probably visit there either next week or the week after. I'm trying to not go out too much because, you know, I'm trying to limit myself to the places I go to because of the situation that we're in lately. But I do plan to go out every so often wearing my mask and social distancing. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you like what you're watching and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and subscribe. We're trying to grow our family here at My Scrappiness. To my subscribers, thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate you. And that's it for now. I will catch you guys later. Bye.